Let's make SPAM Katsu Sando. You'll need: first, combine ketchup, soy sauce, mustard, sugar, and Worcestershire sauce. Open your SPAM Classic pan and cut SPAM Classic luncheon meat into 5 slices. Prepare your flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Coat the SPAM Classic in flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Do it again for the rest of the SPAM slices. And set aside. In a pan, heat oil. Deep fry SPAM Classic Katsu until golden brown. Dip the SPAM Classic Katsu in the katsu sauce. Spread Japanese mayonnaise in 2 pieces of bread. Top one with shredded cabbage. Add the katsu, then top with bread. Press down to form and trim the edges. Cut the SPAM Classic Katsu Sando in half. Assemble the rest of your SPAM Classic Katsu Sando. And then serve and enjoy.